What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I got a pretty cool one today. I mean, I went to Harbor Freight, so you guys can already imagine how cool that is, because Harbor Freight, this is not sponsored, but Harbor Freight is probably the best tool place in the world. I mean, who goes into Harbor Freight and doesn't come out of Harbor Freight at least smiling, or at least to purchase something that they're pretty proud of? So anyway, I'm going to start off this video with doing a little shout out to Harbor Freight and a little non-sponsored plug for Harbor Freight, because one of these days they're just going to team up with me. I know they will. But anyway, to start off this video, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Harbor Freight. Well, my dad got something and I got something. What he got's really cool. I mean, he kind of balled out, but what I got is extremely cool for me, because I've been wanting this for probably, honestly, ever since they were on the floor at Harbor Freight. I've wanted one, and I was like, you know, let's do it. So I did. I bought it. And then Dad bought some more stuff, but that's besides the point. We spent a little too much at Harbor Freight, but that's to be expected, again, because it's Harbor Freight. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around, and on this trailer, I'm going to show you guys what we picked up from Harbor Freight. Look at that. Isn't that insane? This is Dad's side of the trailer right here. He got the U.S. General 56-inch double bank top chest. As you guys can probably hear in my voice, I just read all that off there, so you guys could have probably just done that yourself. But that's the top portion, and then he got the bottom portion. So he got the bottom and top 56-inch tool chest, which is going to be insane. I mean, plenty of room for all of his tools. He kind of has a hard time keeping track of his stuff, so hopefully that fixes his issue with that. If not, we're gonna have to figure something out. Anyway, what I got and what I'm super excited for is the Yukon, which is, I believe they have a better, best, advanced, I don't know. They have like a 3-tier system where it's like good, better, best. That's what it is. So basically, I got the Yukon. I believe it's like the better version. I don't know. I just liked it because it had that solid wood top. And as you guys have noticed, I work on the floor quite a bit. And this is going to be super nice because I'll be able to get stuff up. I mean, it's not any like ATV lift or anything like that. But like the 3-wheeler, I'll be able to probably place it on this tool bench or the top part of it on the wood. Holy crap, I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'll be able to put the 3-wheeler on top of there, and it'll be easier for me to work on stuff, and I'm not going to be breaking my back working on the floor with it. So I'm really excited about that. We're going to have to figure out a place to put Dad's stuff in this shop, which I'm about to show you guys. I think what is going to happen is we have this wall right here. Sorry if it's a little dark. So I think we're going to put Dad's stuff on this wall. I think that's going to be plenty of space for that. And I think it will look good there. And there's just nowhere else in the shop that I think it would fit better. Maybe the back wall. I think that this is just a blank slate. I don't want to move his very often because his is huge. So we're going to stick it there, and hopefully that's just going to be suitable, and we're not going to move it from there. And as far as mine goes, I'm actually really not sure where I'm going to put mine, but I would like to have it where it's kind of versatile, if that makes sense. I kind of want to put it somewhere where I can, like, if I want to move it to the center, I can. I want it to be kind of a mobile workbench if possible. I don't really know how easy that's going to be. You probably can't hear. Let me flip this slide on. So I'm not really sure, and this shop is going to be getting reworked, and a lot of new things are going to happen to it here probably in the future, because it's a really nice shop. It's all insulated, but as you guys can see, the lighting in here is literally trash. Like, you can't hardly see anything. So we got some lights on the sides, and we try to make do with what we got. But I'm planning or fixing to rewire some LEDs into these. Most of them are burnt out, or if they aren't burnt out, they're on their last leg. So a lot of cool stuff is coming in the future for this shop, and it'll make the quality of my videos better because I won't have to worry about lighting so much. But anyway, we're gonna try to get these toolboxes off the trailer, put them in their spots. Hopefully it doesn't take too much assembling because I don't really want to do that today, but if I have to, I have to. And then on the other hand, we're still working on the truck. I left you guys kind of hanging in the last video. I was able to find a guy to powder coat the knuckles, literally in the process of powder coating them right now, so I'm probably gonna make a trip 40 minutes away, which is really the closest guy to me that I felt like was going to do a good job. And if you guys know me with my powder coating, I have not had the best luck with it. The only powder coat that I've gotten done that I've been pleased with was from my dude Rainy, CrewLong67 on Instagram. Obviously a good friend, worked with him at Custom Offsets, so he's the last person that powder coated my stuff. But those knuckles, when I put them in, I kind of dinged them up quite a bit, and I mean, if you aren't careful with your powder coat, it's still going to chip off regardless. So I had to get those touched up, but other than that, everything held up great. So I'm really pleased with his work and what he did. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I feel like I just ran a marathon and just talked a lot, and I'm trying not to do that as much in these videos. So let's try to get these tool carts, benches, chests, whatever you want to call them, off the trailer. So let's do that. And just like that, they're unloaded. Alright guys, so I'm not going to mess with the toolboxes right now. I just wanted to get them unloaded. I'm going to actually start trying to put some parts back on my truck. I'm going to try to get to the point where I just need to go pick up my knuckles, and then I'll toss my wheel bearings and hubs back in those, and I should be able to put the truck all back together, which honestly is very exciting for me because, again, I had these high hopes of wild colors, big powder coat, whatever, but I'm actually going to be excited to get this truck out of here, get it on its fours, get the wheels and tires on it, and then all the other modifications that I deem necessary will still be achievable. Like, I really want to color match these fender flares because I think they're ugly, and do some color matching. I have new headlights. I want to build some headlights, but all those things are achievable and doable without the truck looking the way it is. At some point, I would love to have a spot dedicated just for the truck for the winter where it's literally just all torn apart and slung out through the garage, but that's probably going to be a future build and a future truck because I just can't do that right now, and I make do with what I have, and I'm still pretty proud of what I can do with what I have. So it's the next day. I totally slacked off the rest of the day yesterday, but this morning I was able to be pretty productive. I got the tie rods in on both sides, new boots, new everything. I put new inner tie rods and outer tie rods in, and then yesterday I put one of the lower control arms on, and then today I put my other lower control arm on. And then at this very moment, I'm driving to Second Chance Cycles, which is the place that did my powder coating for those two knuckles. John texted me, the owner, and said that they were done. So we're gonna go see how those look, and hopefully they turned out well. That way I can give him some business, and it's really not too far from me. So that'll be nice, knowing that somebody that he has a big oven and is able to do some bigger parts. So anything that I can't do on my own with like just a normal oven, I'll send to him, and hopefully we can kind of build a relationship, and he can get a lot of business off of me, and I can help him kind of grow his hole in the wall business, because he doesn't have very much marketing or advertising. Alright guys, this video has been kind of a hectic one. It's been a bunch of random crap, and I apologize for that. I promise I'm trying to get back on track and giving you guys a solid video that makes sense start to finish. But I got a lot of things that I got to iron out before I'm able to do that. But with that being said, I told you guys toolbox and new powder coat. So I'm going to show you guys both of those. That way I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I'm going to show you guys this powder coat. It looks absolutely incredible. So I'll try to move. I don't have the best lighting in here. But that's some nice mirror gloss black. It's going to look sweet with the new wheel bearings and everything. It's going to look like a brand new truck. And then, like I said, I got my strut springs at the shop too, and they're going to be a different color as well. It's going to be wild, and I hope I like it. And if I like it, I'm going to put it on the truck. If I don't, we're staying with black. Let's show you the toolboxes. First toolbox is Dad's. He got the lower and upper US General. Looks sweet, but that's not mine, so we don't care too much about that one. But we're going to have to turn some lights on here. I got mine done, which was super simple. It's got the nice wood top, which is going to be super nice. It is literally like stomach high, so it'll be a lot easier to work on things, and I'm not bending over as much. And it, by the looks of it, the three-wheeler should fit on top of here. And then it's got a bunch of extra drawers, which wasn't super necessary for me, but I have a lot of these like cases and stuff that I can toss in there. Probably I have one big wild drawer right here. I mean, this thing's huge. So I might put all my wrenches in there and spread them out and not cram them together like I do in the other toolbox. But that's super sick. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I know, again, like I said, a little bit of a thrown together video of a bunch of random stuff. But once I get all this random stuff done, we're going to have some really solid videos. We're going to get some nice B-roll of the truck finish. Tires are ordered. It's just going to be, we're trying to iron it out so the upcoming videos are way more smooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this for what it was, and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. I need to set up the giveaway link and everything so you guys can get entered to win the stuff that I'm going to give away. I haven't told you guys yet. Still kind of processing that. I've never done a giveaway, so it's going to be kind of a learning curve for me. So I apologize there. And then, what else was I going to say? I think that's it. Yeah, we're gonna end it here, and we'll see you guys next week. I appreciate all your support, and okay, bye.